Introducing Acromioclavicular AC Joint Kit for Acromioclavicular Joint Repair. Use a drill guide to drill a 1.5 mm K wire through the tunnel, ensuring it traverses the clavicle and coracoid. Drill over the K wire using a 3.5 mm cannulated drill bit, ensuring to drill from both the clavicle and coracoid. Once completed, remove both the K wire and drill bit. Insert the AC joint implant, which come with deployment handle, through the clavicle and coracoid tunnels. Detach the oblong button from the inserter by sliding deployment button on handle after removing the yellow pull tab from the handle. Release the sutures and round button. Apply firm pressure to the base of the coracoid and then gradually pull on the loose suture ends, reducing the clavicle cup button onto the clavicle by 1 to 2 cm at a time. Once desired fixation is achieved, cut the free sutures to complete the procedure.
Oxen.